More details of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro emerge, now claiming it to be the fastest phone of 2018. Sort of. We get some information of this year's new iPads, and they are pretty interesting so far. It looks like Samsung's UI is finally getting the overhaul we've been waiting for. I'm Jaime Rivera, and if you're watching this version of the video, it's because we had to use the pre-recorded version because that means the Google event was too crazy, so expect separate coverage on that. And by the way, don't forget that the OnePlus 6T is coming very soon. Follow the first link in the description to register for the live stream. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with another Chromebook announcement, and this is interesting because we had the HP yesterday, today we have the Lenovo, and then we have the Google event. But then again, that Lenovo Yoga Chromebook that we saw, that was the $699 variant, that was also a high-end Chromebook, was announced today. You could pick it up, you could pre-order it. It's definitely a well-designed computer. The only problem is it's a Chromebook. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Apple and iOS 12.0.1. For those of you that have been dealing with ChargeGate issues and apparently other issues like Wi-Fi, which I've been dealing with particularly, my iPhone is currently updating. We've actually been waiting for that to be able to do our review. So far, we'll see if that doesn't bring any more bugs, but we will keep you posted, as this is definitely something that we needed. Now let's talk about Samsung, as some new leaks that just emerged that XDA developers show us what to expect for the next generation user interface of the phone. And we're not exactly sure if this is going to be Pi on the Galaxy Note 9 or Pi on the S10, but we see new iconography, a new launcher, a new user interface on the camera, things that we were really wanting to see for a bit, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about iPads. We're still waiting for Apple's invitation to its next event where we should see new Macs and new iPads. But the changes to the iPad Pro seem to be significant. No home button, an edge-to-edge display, Face ID that will actually work in any orientation that you're using the tablet. The rumors that apparently USB-C is going to make this tablet, which I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, Lightning is just so important for Apple's ecosystem. But apparently the whole idea is for it to be able to export 4K HDR or project it. Yeah, if that ends up happening, that's also going to be interesting. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We're just a week away from the event. I cannot wait to be there and tell you more about what we see. But, well, some benchmarks just emerged, and it is claiming this to be the fastest phone of 2018 to a certain degree, because yes, it does great in gaming. It does great in pretty much everything they threw at it. The problem was when they compared it to the new iPhones. You know that the new iPhones have the new 7nm chip, but it's just interesting to see that iPhones are pretty much on par, if not better, in certain tests when compared to the Mate 20 Pro. So let us know in the comments. I mean, what do you think? Are you expecting the Huawei Mate 20 Pro because of its speed? Are benchmarks still important to you? Because in my case, I stopped caring about benchmarks a while ago, but man, you guys in the comments go crazy about them. So leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.